Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post figure skating tutorials as well as workouts and stretching videos. Quick shout out before we get to the video. My mom and I have a small little business selling knit headbands. She makes them and they feature these cute little crystals on them. They are perfect for the winter to keep your ears warm, and they are perfect for skating, and they're so soft and so lovely. So it would mean a lot if you would check that out. I will link everything in the description and I will link the Instagram right on the screen. So let's get to the video. We are going to be working on exercises for those landings, so let's get right into it. So number one tip I have for you is to practice your landing position. So take yourself onto a circle and you're just going to take a nice crossover, then hold your landing. If you are on your right leg, you're going to have your left arm slightly in front. If you're on your left leg, you're going to have your right arm slightly in front. I do suggest to do both sides so everything is equal. And just try to hold this as long as you can before you lose speed. And now we're going to do a similar exercise. You're going to take a crossover, get into your exit position, left arm in front slightly, and then you're going to bring your right arm and left arm together in a rounded position, and then jump into the air while you keep your leg in that exit position. So it's just a small little hop. Try to do your best to do at least 3 of these before going for another round, and then just do maybe 5 in total. This exercise, you're welcome to do both sides, but it's okay if you only do one side. Now let's come to the wall, and we're just going to get into that nice position with our left leg in front, like we would be doing right before we would do an exit position, and we're just going to jump a couple of times. So let's say 3 in that position, helping yourself with the board, and then on the last one, you're gonna exit, hold that exit nicely. Do this a couple of times. Here you are welcome to do both sides. Just make sure you're jumping as high as you can before you land. Now next exercise, you're gonna hold a tight position on your right leg. You're gonna bring that leg slightly up before you land into that exit position. Your arms are nice and tight to your body first. So getting on that edge, tight to your body, staying a little bit to the right, lifting up, and then bringing those arms into the exit arm. So left arm a little bit in front. And then you just keep repeating this, let's say 5 times. Again, maybe just do this on one side and try to hold your exit nicely and just trying to hold that exit for a couple of moments. And yeah, so the video is over. I hope these exercises help you if you're struggling with your exits. I hope they make them much more stable, stronger, and just make you more comfortable with them. It is a hard thing to learn, so give yourself some grace. You'll get there. And yeah, I wish you all a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next video.